Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ecomposer Shopify. First, understand that Ecomposer is a versatile page builder designed specifically for Shopify. It empowers you to create stunning, custom pages without needing any coding knowledge. You can easily design unique layouts for your product pages, home pages, and even blog posts, enhancing your store's visual appeal and user experience significantly. It's a fantastic tool for any Shopify merchant. To begin, navigate to the Shopify App Store and search for Ecomposer. Installation is straightforward. Simply click Add App and follow the prompts to grant the required permissions. Once installed, you'll find Ecomposer listed under your Shopify apps. Open it to access the main dashboard, where you can start exploring its features and settings. This initial setup takes just a couple of minutes. Now let's dive into designing. Ecomposer features a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, allowing you to easily add and arrange elements like images, text blocks, and product grids. You can start with a blank canvas or select from hundreds of professional templates to save time. Each section offers extensive customization options, letting you adjust colors, fonts, and spacing to perfectly match your brand's aesthetic. It's incredibly flexible. Once your design is complete, publishing your page is simple. Just click the Publish button, and your new page will go live on your Shopify store. Remember to always check your page's mobile responsiveness to ensure it looks great on all devices. Additionally, optimize your images and content for faster loading times, which improves user experience and can boost your search engine ranking. You're all set to impress your customers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.